Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your August love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. Friends, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. It is a general reading, may resonate or may not. Also, friends, to buy a personal reading, visit our website, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. Also, friends, August pick a card readings have been done, friends. The link is in the timestamps. You can go and check that out. Also, Hindi Urdu versions of August horoscopes have already been done. I will try to link them somewhere here, or you can check out our Hindi Urdu channel, Magic Wens Tarot Hindi Urdu. So, yes, let us see, Libras, what is going to happen in your August. Let us see love, work, and career. What is the theme for Libras for the month of the Hermit? Interesting. And the 10 of cups, very nice. So this month you are focusing on learning, you are focusing on becoming a master, you are focusing on becoming I feel like you're becoming a Loki, you have you seen that movie? It's a great movie. Also, you're becoming a master, a genie, kind of a magician in some way. And also you're very, very focused this month in August. You're very focused. Your ambition is very high. You will achieve all of those things. Also, you are very, very wise and mature. You will take a very wise and mature approach. And family is very important to you. Love, relationships, family. There is a lot of love, and you will be enjoying that, but you will not be sharing it on social media or any kind of those things. I think some of you might even take a break from social media and focus more on your family, your work, your ambitions, your goals. So it is a month where you are planning, you are preparing, as well as becoming a master of yourself. And look at that, the star, friends. Oh my god, your wishes, Libras, you are super blessed. And this is an Aquarius air sign card. So August is your month, Libra. Yes, your creativity will be super, super high. You will feel very connected with your luck, your wisdom, your energy. Whatever you wish, you will be able to achieve it. Your manifestations will be working great. But all this good energy you will not want to share with anybody. It's like you are taking a social media break. You're not telling more, except your close friends and family. You will not be telling like what your plans are, what you're doing. You are not very open and sharing to everybody in the month. Like you are not in a Gemini vibe to share everything with everybody. No, you are in a more Capricornian vibe where you wanna, keep things to yourself. So you're very, very lucky. And this is like this, the luck is shining on you. I don't know, Libras, how you can get all these beautiful cards, but yes, luck is shining on you, and you're gonna achieve whatever you were missing or whatever you are looking for, whether it is a job, work, money, a new relationship, or a healing, a marriage, a child. You are going to manifest it this month. So woohoo, let us see your love life for Libras in the month of August. Libras, their love life in August. Oh, Tower, the Four of Swords, the Hero, the High Priest, Ace of Cups. All right. Libras, their love life. The King of Cups and the Four of Wands. Brilliant. Let's see the Tower. Clarify that. Okay. So, Libras, definitely you start the month with a lot of focus on your work and career. You're taking a break or some sort of a vacation from love, or you are in separation or in no contact. You are like waiting for your person, or your person is like waiting for you. So, there is this kind of, at the start of August, you are not much focused on love. Also, someone is keeping you waiting, or you are keeping people waiting for love, for your messages, because you are like, I want to focus on my good luck. And why not? Because you have a lot of luck this month, and you must focus on it. You must make full use of it. So why not? So let us see what is happening. Let us see in your love life. I hope you can see the cards. Yep, you can. All right. So, first initially you will not be very much focused with on love, but then someone is coming towards you. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Someone is coming towards you. This person had a fight with you or a major breakup with you in the past, and they want to come back again, or they want to reunite with you. But you will talk about good things to them. You will ask this person, Libras, like, what about commitment? What about the law and order? What about my feelings? What about the past? So you will ask some tough questions. Tough love is your answer. You will ask some tough questions, Libra, to this person who left you or who ignored you for their work, or who had a fight with you in the past. You will ask them some tough questions. I also feel um, family is very important. So maybe this person could be from a different religion, culture, or their families or your families are against this love. But somewhere you will ask them the right questions, and you are very wise and mature. You are like a spiritual mentor. You are like a guide to this person. They are behave immaturely, but they come back, only they come back towards you time and again, and you help this person because you know how they are. This person in and out, Libras. Also, Ace of Cups. Yes, there is going to be a reunion. There is going to be a love once again, and you both are gonna fall in love once again. I do feel it could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. And this time in August, your person will behave more maturely, or you will also feel more balanced towards each other. This love and work balance will be there. The mind and the love and ego balance, that will be very pure. That will be very easily happening this month. No ego issues, no ego hassles, no ego arguments happening. And yes, chances of marriage are very, very high. Chances of commitment, chances of either you may commit to somebody or your person may commit to somebody. They could be your twin flame also. There is a chance that you may move in with somebody, or they may move in with you. So wonderful energies, Libras. But yes, some tough questions will be asked. You and your person will have to sit and discuss certain tough questions, like, is it right, is this not, what you want, what the family wants, what the world wants, all these kind of questions. But I do feel you will end up getting all your desires in love fulfilled, because you are extremely lucky. Let's see your advice, Libras. Advice for Libras. Okay, the throat chakra and the crown chakra. Wow. Yeah, some of you are feeling very defeated and lost because of your health, because of the last situation. I don't know why I said health. Maybe someone's health is also affecting the love life. Like, your person has mood swings. They keep behaving weirdly, and they blame you, Libras. Or you also have certain mood swings, and you are like, wow, I don't want to do this, let's leave it. So, communication issues are a big problem in your love life and relationships, but this month they are going to heal. Your communications are going to improve. You will also say the right things at the right time, and your person will also hear the right things in the right way. So, this is a great month for good communication and emotional, heartfelt conversations. Crown chakra, yes, you will be very connected with your person. You will have empathy and compassion for them. You will understand them. And you will feel very much connected, like a spiritual union with them. It is like a very deep soulful connection that's going and happening between you and your person. And if this is a new person, you will find this a very enticing new connection. And financial and material changes, yes, again, you will have to balance your career, because it is affecting your love life, or Libras. So you have to take some time to balance your work and career and finances. So let us see your work and career now, friends. Oops, Libras, how their work and career will be in the month of August. Ooh, nice. This is interesting. See, the truth, the base chakra, and material and spiritual prosperity, and the new beginning. So yes, I do feel that you are working very, very hard for a new start or a new beginning. Some of you are starting a new job, or some of you are working on a new project. I also feel that some of you could actually be waiting for more money or some success to come your way. Yes, it will happen in August. Yes, I do feel that you will earn a lot more money this month. Also, there will be material, spiritual, as well as emotional satisfaction with your work. So you will feel like yes, you are doing the right things. Also, you will feel a little more positive about your future, Libras. So if you felt negative about your luck or your future, now you will feel more positive. Now you will feel like yes, um, now you will feel that your luck is strong and you can achieve whatever you want. You are going in the right direction, and yes, your ego will be very, very positively boosted. You will feel a lot of connection with your work. You will feel very energized, very ambitious, very connected with your work. You will also feel, you will have a very positive ego this month, like yes, I can do it. Yeah, yes, I can achieve it. If I make a mistake, that's okay, fine, I can learn from it and come on, let's do it again. So that's the kind of an attitude you have. Even if you are a student, you will have a great attitude towards your studies. You will be like yes, I will study to win, and even if I don't win, I can, I'm still the topper, because I studied for to win. So you will feel very positive and very, very passionate about your career, your studies, your money. I also feel that some of you will be, yeah, I do feel that certain things will become very clear to you about your career, your life path, something which were confusing you, some confusion, some doubts, they will become very clear to you. The solutions will become very clear, so you will feel very, very excited about everything in your work and career. And look at that, 0, 1, and 6 and 20. So, it is like 0 is like starting something new, 1 is like, going full ahead, and 6 is like finding the happiness in that work, and 20 is like ultimate success. So it is a beautiful month for you, Libras. Let us see some advice for Libras. Guardian angel. So definitely your guardian angel is with you this month. You are very supported. You are not alone, whether it is in work life or your love life. You are very, very supported. You are protected. Your spirit guides all are watching on you. Ask and receive. Yes, your prayers are going to come true very quickly. Whatever you want to manifest, you will achieve. The star, your wish is coming true quickly. Let us see some extra messages, Libras. All right. Older woman, somebody in the family, or somebody, some boss or some grandparents could be important to you. Teapots. Deep friendships with someone of the same sex are important, or with anybody, any sex could be important. Love is important. Love is coming. Rose, romance is in the air. Yes, exactly. March is important for you, friends. Somebody born in March is important. May is also important. Star, oh my god, star and star. Look at that. Guaranteed success. And sunrise, yes, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start is happening. Family wishes coming true. I do see there is a chance of marriage happening for some of you, or meeting the right person, the man or the woman of your dreams. Also, for some of you this month, child pregnancy, or you may feel like yes, it is time to expand your family. You are ready to take the next steps. Rabbit, yes, too much concerns with sexual passion. So yeah, I do feel some of you may shift in, move in, or start living in with a partner. And April is also important. April, March, April and May, and December is also important, friends. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.